We all love adorable, cute, snuggly animals, but sometimes these fluffy, squishy creatures just don't love us back. Adorable animals, well, we all do until one ferociously attacks us and we end up in a hospital. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 cute animals that can actually kill you. Number 5. Panda. Panda is a cute animal. If we are not wrong, pandas look so innocent and helpless that they became a symbol of peace and kindness. Panda tumbling from a tree and you just want to rush to their fluffy little sides and heal their wounds. They look cuddly but they are very strong. If you happen upon their territory or if they feel threatened by you, they attack. In 2015, a wild panda had wandered into Elizabeth village in the Gansu province of China, and officers tried to capture the animal and release it back into the wild. They chased the panda into a man's farm where the bear sunk its teeth into the farmer's leg. For that, he had to endure operations and got very close to having his leg amputated. The farmer received $71,000 from the village council and of course, learned an even greater lesson, which is that pandas are not to be messed with no matter how cute they are. Number 4. Blue-ringed octopus.
It's a blue-ringed octopus, one of the most dangerous animals in the world.
When you're diving in the deep ocean water, you can see a perfectly innocuous blue-ringed octopus. Don't let its cuddly exterior fool you. This ring octopus venom is 1000 times more powerful than cyanide. The blue-ringed octopus is minuscule and beautiful. It is its dermal chromatophore cells to California's color becoming bright yellow with blue rings or lines. This color serves as a warning to all would-be predators or fish collectors. Grabbing it for your salt tank might be a deadly mistake. Blue-ringed octopuses, comprising the genus Hapaloselena, are 4 highly venomous species of octopuses that are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans from Japan to Australia. But its venom is powerful enough to kill humans. The blue-ringed octopus, despite its small size, carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans within minutes. Number 3. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frog often exhibit brightly colored bodies. Most of them are poison. Dart frog is the common name of a group of frogs in the family Dendrobatidae, which are native to tropical Central and South America. Dart frogs look adorable, but within their skin glands, they store an alkaloid toxin called batrachotoxin. There are different types of poison dart frogs. These species are diurnal and often have brightly colored bodies. This bright coloration is correlated with the toxicity of the species, making them aposematic. This frog look cute but deadly. Poison dart frog raised in captivity don't show signs of toxicity. Dart frog can easily kill 10 adults if they touch it, so keep this rule in mind. In wild nature, the brightest colors are the most dangerous ones. They are typically deadly to humans, but they can prove fatal to pets, especially they drink the water that these frogs have been swimming in. Number 2. Platypus. If you have never seen a baby platypus, it's sincerely going to melt your heart. Even as adults, the platypus continues to be just as adorable. Needed to mention that they are cute. The platypus, sometimes referred to as the duck-billed platypus, is a semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal endemic to eastern Australia, including Tasmania. The platypus is the sole living representative of its family and genus, though a number of related species appear in the fossil record. Even platypus can kill humans. Platypus venom contains over 8 different toxins in 13 different classes. The poison can kill small animals and leave humans in pain for weeks. Venom is produced in the crural glands for the male, which are kidney-shaped alveolar glands connected by a thin-walled duct through a calcaneus spur on each hind line. Number 1. Swan. Swans are beautiful and gentle. As their look are a symbol of love, grace, and purity to humans, we associate them with true love because they are so graceful and never forget about love.
No, look at that. That's perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
swans are birds of the family Anachidae with the genus Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives include the geese and ducks. Swans are grouped with the closely related geese in the subfamily Ansarina, where they form the tribe Cygnini. Sometimes they are considered a distinct subfamily Cygninae. Swans are highly protective of their nest. They will viciously attack anything that they perceive as a threat to their chick, including humans. The aggression with other species is shown more in Buick swan. They can attack by flying at perceived threats at full speed and biting them. They'll also try to drown if you have given the chance.